How to cancel EA subscription. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can cancel your EA subscription. So if you've subscribed to EA and you're wondering how you can cancel your subscription, don't worry, just watch this video to the end. Now the first step is to launch the EA app on your PC, and then once you've opened the app, you'll be brought to the home page where you can see a search box at the top part of the screen. In this search box, you can decide to search for any games of your choice, or instead you can just scroll down until you can see all of the games that you can get or play on the EA app. And then the next step is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see a menu displaying options such as home, browse, library, and EA play. Just go ahead and click on EA Play. Now, after clicking on EA Play, you will take you to the EA Plays page. On this page, you would see all of your membership. Alright, now you will be asked to join EA Play like mine is displaying, but instead you would see your EA Play account displayed on the screen here, or instead you can just click on see membership and then you can now see your EA Play account. Currently this is being displayed because I have not subscribed to EA Play. Alright, that's why it's asking me to join. But for you, once you see your EA Play account, next to it, you will see the option cancel. Alright, click on it. After clicking on it, be redirected on that page where you'll be asked why you want to cancel. Alright, select all of your reasons and click OK. And once click OK, select cancel again, and then another window will pop up showcasing how much you'll be missed. Alright, select OK, and then just like that, that particular subscription would be cancelled. Even after cancelling your subscription, you still have access to if you cancelled your subscription before the money expired. Maybe you did a monthly subscription and then you cancelled before that particular month elapsed. You still have the grace to enjoy the subscription benefit until that particular month elapses. Alright, so go ahead and make that cancellation today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.